Your question is which one of the following statements is not correct with regard to control of Parliament on a budget? Your options are A. Parliament does not have any role in the creation of the budget. B. The Parliament has the power to move on the charged expenditure on the consolidated fund. C. Parliament has no power to impose a tax without the recommendation of the President. Or D. Parliament has no power to increase any tax without the recommendation of the President. Right answer is B. Parliament has the power to move on the charged expenditure on the consolidated fund. Your question is which of the following is responsible for preparation and presentation of union budget in the parliament? Your options are A. Department of Revenue, B. Department of Economic Affairs, C. Department of Financial Services, or D. Department of Expenditure. Right answer is B. Department of Economic Affairs. Your question is if the annual union budget is not passed by the Lok Sabha, your options are A. The budget is modified and presented again, B. The budget is referred to the Rajya Sabha for suggestions, C. The Union Finance Minister is asked to resign, or D. The Prime Minister submits the resignation of Council of Ministers. Right answer is D. The Prime Minister submits the resignation of Council of Ministers. Your question is under which of the following taxes the total amount payable by an individual is limited by the Constitution? Your options are A. Corporation tax, B. Estate duty, C. Succession duty, or D. Tax on profession, trade and callings. Right answer is D. Tax on profession, trade and callings. Your question is economic survey is presented in Parliament every year. Your options are A. Before presentation of the budget for the coming year, B. After presentation of the budget for the coming year, C. After presentation of finance bill, or D. And has no relation with presentation of the budget. Right answer is A. Before presentation of the budget for the coming year. Your question is vote on account is meant for. Your options are A. Vote on the report of CAG, B. To meet unforeseen expenditure, C. Appropriating funds pending passing of budget, D. Budget, or E. None of the above or more than one of the above. Right answer is C. Appropriating funds pending passing of budget. Your question is vote on account in the parliament is necessary. Your options are A. When government expenditure is more than government revenue, B. For financing big projects in which huge amount of money is required, C. When regular budget is not expected to be passed in time, or D. None of the above. Right answer is C. When regular budget is not expected to be passed in time. Your question is what is the difference between vote on account and interim budget? 1. The provision of a vote on account is used by a stable government while interim budget is a provision used by a caretaker government. 2. A vote on account only deals with the expenditure in government's budget while an interim budget includes both expenditure and receipts. Which of the following statements given above is or are correct? Your options are A. 1 only, B. 2 only, C. Both 1 and 2, or D. Neither 1 nor 2. Right answer is B. 2 only. A vote on account only deals with the expenditure in government's budget while an interim budget includes both expenditure and receipts. Your question is estimates of expenditure are submitted to the Parliament of India in the form of. Your options are A. Ad hoc funds, B. Excess grants, C. Supplementary grants, or D. Demands for grants. Right answer is D. Demands for grants. Your question is which one of the following statements is correct regarding submission of money bill? Your options are A. The finance bill is presented in the Rajya Sabha, B. It can be presented in either house of parliament, C. It cannot be presented in Lok Sabha, or D. It is presented in Lok Sabha. Right answer is D. It is presented in Lok Sabha.